Very good.
That is so good.
Something that my family has always had since I was a little kid.
His family's been here since 1879. What do you want to cook? The executive director of the Clatsop Economic Development Resources and the Small Business Development Center.
The family specialty that I grew up with.
Kevin Leahy.
Hey, Chris. Thank you. Cream shrimp on toast. Well, I'll go ahead and put some butter in here.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
I'm trying not burning the butter. So since I was a teenager cooking it
Many
to
times.
now, many times, yeah.
Okay, more. Yeah? Oh, like what brought your family here? You like it?
I like it.
Two big pieces?
Yeah, two big.
Like that skyline sourdough. Do a little. Is that all right? It's not too thick?
Nope, that's great.
Yeah, that makes
because
sense.
you want to have the texture of the eggs.
Oh.
You cannot beat Oregon pink shrimp.
Cannot beat Oregon pink shrimp.
We have the pimento olives, and
Awesome.
some people, we also like it for a martini. We had peas, growing up, we had peas almost with every meal. Get this all mixed together. I would probably add it all.
You want to add it all?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, we're doing it.
This looks really good. A recipe for success is the awareness of what we do and to have a business owner open to working with us.
Is it doing it?
It's delicious.
Did we get there?
We did.
So, folks, if you're enjoying our content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching What Do You Want to Cook?